guys, I'm getting ready to install the roof rail, and I found that these little plugs here, these are the outside plugs, but, oops, sorry, you're off camera. These are the outside plugs, or the inside plugs to the top rail, and if you break these prior to trying to pull the plug out, so I just take my pliers and I just break it a little bit, like that. You don't have to take the whole thing off, just part of it. Sorry, my camera. And then you can go up top, and they, oops, still got a piece in there. You can go up top, and then they come out of the hole much easier, and you don't have to struggle so much. So just break off a piece, like half of it, see? And then when you get up to the top, it comes right out of the hole. No struggle. I found with my first couple, it was a huge struggle. And then I came in here and decided, let me try this, and it works like a breeze. So this is the last one, number 11 out of 11. So you just break it off, part of it, and you're good to go. Let's head up to the top. So for this portion of the video, I had to do a voiceover as the wind was so loud. Here I am using my heat gun to loosen the adhesive around the plugs, and then I can pull them off really easily using this plastic scraper, and then just clean up the adhesive. We're going to do this to all the plugs, and then clean it all up with some alcohol and move on to putting on the roof rail. All right, I'm going to speed up all this portion. Okay, so I'm installing the roof rail on the other side now, and I skipped a step on the camera. Sorry guys, but I put the backing, the foam backing on these pieces. So there's 3 pieces, 3 aluminum pieces, and then there's 3 strips of foam. And they all are already cut. You just have to trim them down. Don't put the foam where the bracket is. Don't need it. So now we're going to screw in some screws right through this foam. And that's one of the reasons why I use the butyl tape on top of the roof. So it is extra water sealed. So just basically take the screw, and then you stick it in the hole, and you're using a torque bit, and then just because they have to be screwed in, so just screw them down lightly, and then when you get up to the roof, it's all set. You can just drop them in the holes and you're good to go, and then come inside and bolt them down. All right, moving on. Another thing to note is this hole here on the B portion. It does not require you to fill a hole. There's no hole on the roof for that. This is for the 144 wheelbase, so don't do that one. Just do all the others, and then you don't do the end of C, and you don't do the end of A. The beginning of A, I should say, and the end of C. Those are for optional holes you need to drill into your van. I'm not doing that, so I'm not filling those holes. All right. Sorry about the wind, guys. I had to voice over this part. It's just too loud in the background. So I am putting on some 99% isopropyl alcohol onto a rag, and I'm cleaning up each of these holes to remove any of the excess adhesive. And I'm going to do that to every one of the holes, and make sure all the dirt and dust is gone from there as well. Then I'm going to take this piece of butyl tape. It's about 1-inch piece of butyl tape, and I put it over all the holes. This will keep them really sealed so that we don't have any leaks in the van. All right, well, on to the next step. Okay, now all we're going to do, we got the butyl tape down, we got our holes lined up. We're just going to turn over our rail, set it into the holes, push it down, and then we just have to screw it down from the inside. And I'll continue. I'll do it all the way down the end till that is all done. All the way. Okay. But then it'll be done once I screw down the top or screw it down from the inside. We're all good to go. Okay, once you get the rail up, all you do is you peel back the butyl tape. I left most of it on there and just kind of pushed it up. A little extra water sealant. Plus it helps keep these little nuts on there. Right, then you take a number 10 socket and just tighten it. Don't over tighten. Don't worry about that little clicky sound. That's not anything cracky. It's just that the washer is a little big for the space that they give you. Okay, just hand tighten. And I'm going to repeat. And we're all done. Okay, look what I did. Double roof rails are on my van. I'm so excited. I feel very accomplished today. Both rails are up and secure, not going anywhere. Now they are ready for me to get some solar panels up here after we install the air fans, of course. We're going to put one in the front and one back here. So, all right, stay tuned everyone. It's getting exciting. I can't believe things are coming together. On to bigger and brighter adventures.